If you've been looking for the simplest way to move your crypto from Coinbase directly into your Tangem hardware wallet, this quick guide will walk you through every step with zero confusion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer safely and confidently. Let's jump straight in. First, open your Coinbase app. From the main menu, tap Crypto, then choose Transfer. After that, select Send Crypto. Coinbase will now ask which coin you want to send. I'm using Ethereum for this example, but you can pick any crypto that your Tangem wallet supports. Now, here's a very important part. Some cryptocurrencies require you to select the correct blockchain network before transferring. For Ethereum, Coinbase may show multiple networks. In this case, I'm choosing Base, so I tap that option. Next, Coinbase will ask for the wallet address you want to send to. This is where we switch over to Tangem. Open your Tangem app and select the specific wallet that matches the network you're sending on. Since I selected Base on Coinbase, I'm opening my Base e-wallet in Tangem. Tap Receive, and Tangem will show you your wallet address. Hit Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now go back to Coinbase and paste that address into the recipient field. Double check the address to be safe. Crypto transfers can't be undone. Once it looks correct, choose how much you want to send. You can tap max or manually enter an amount. When everything looks good, hit send and Coinbase will process the transaction. After a short confirmation time, your crypto will appear inside your Tangem wallet, secured on your own hardware. And that's it. Quick, simple, and safe. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.